Welcome. This video will guide you through updating your business hours on Yelp, focusing on holiday hours and scheduling. Accurate hours are crucial for customer satisfaction and can boost your visibility. We'll cover everything from basic updates to advanced scheduling features available in late 2025. First, log in to your verified Yelp business owner account through the Yelp for Business Owners website or the mobile app. You can access the platform through the website or use the mobile app, where over 70% of updates are now done on mobile devices. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Info tab in your business dashboard. Then find and click the Hours section to open the Business Hours Editor. This will open the Business Hours Editor, where you can manage your regular and temporary hours. Within the editor, you'll see options for each day of the week. Click on a day to set your opening and closing times. You can also indicate if you're open 24/7 or by appointment only. Ensure your regular hours are accurate, as this is the default schedule displayed to customers. Double check for any conflicting information. To set holiday hours, look for the Add Holiday Hours or Special Hours option in your Yelp business dashboard or mobile app. Choose the specific holiday from the pre-populated list, which includes major U.S. and international holidays like Christmas, New Year's Day, Thanksgiving, and others. Then, enter the opening and closing times for that day, or specify if the business will be closed. You can set custom hours like extended openings or early closures for holidays. Yelp allows you to schedule these temporary holiday hours up to 30 days in advance, giving you plenty of time to plan for special occasions. Temporary hours override your regular hours for the specified date. Be sure to remove or adjust these temporary settings once the holiday has passed to revert to your normal schedule. Yelp provides alerts for overlapping or conflicting hours to prevent errors. During the 2023 holiday season, businesses using this feature saw a 25% drop in closed when expected open complaints. Yelp offers several tools to simplify scheduling. Use the calendar view for a visual representation of your hours. Take advantage of conflict detection to avoid overlapping schedules. Consider integrating with third-party tools like Google Calendar or Square for seamless syncing. Since late 2024, AI-powered scheduling assistants are available in the Yelp Business app, automatically suggesting optimal hours based on historical data and local trends. This is part of the Smart Scheduling initiative. If you encounter issues while updating your business hours on Yelp, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Connection problems can prevent changes from saving properly. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Yelp Business app. Outdated versions may have bugs that interfere with our updates. Check for updates in your app store. For businesses with multiple locations, use Yelp's bulk update tool to change hours across all sites at once. This reduces errors and saves time compared to updating each location individually. If issues continue despite trying the above steps, reach out to Yelp support for personalized assistance. They can help resolve technical problems with your account or updates. Remember, keeping your business hours accurate and up to date on Yelp can significantly improve customer satisfaction and boost your visibility in search results.